Hello my dear students, in this lecture we will define machine design. Now in machine design the first letter is machine. Now firstly we will define what is the meaning of machine. Now machine is nothing but combination of resistant bodies with successfully constrained relative motion used to convert other forms of energies into mechanical energy or to transmit and modify the available energy to do useful work. Now this is a definition of machine design. Now we will break this definition. Now machine is a combination of resistant bodies. Now resistant bodies means the bodies which will not deform for the application of loading. In resistant bodies there is no deformation for the application of type of loading, right? Now successfully constrained motion. Successfully constrained motion means there is only one relative motion permitted between two resistant bodies. Means there is only one relative motion for the two resistant bodies, that is, for example, square shaft in square hole. Let's say this is a square rod. This rod is having square cross section like this is a cross section, and this is a hole in the body. Let's say this is a square hole. The motion of this square rod in square hole is only translational. Only this one relative motion is permitted. This is called successfully constrained relative motion. Only one motion. Now this machine is used to convert any form of energy into mechanical energy or to obtain useful work, right? And also in 3 Idiots movie you have listened the definition of machine. This is also definition of machine. Machine is anything which will simplify the human life. Now we will define what is the meaning of design. Now design is nothing but it is a process to plan to satisfy human needs or requirements. Now let's again break this definition. Design is a process to plan and to satisfy the human needs and requirements. Means for design we have to identify what are the requirements and needs of human being. And once you get the actual problem or actual requirement or actual need of human being, then to solve this problem or to satisfy this need, you have to think about some creative idea. This is called creativity. This is called creativity. You will get any creative idea. Now to fulfill this idea or to satisfy this idea, we have to design this idea. Design this idea, right? Now while designing we have to do lot many calculations to fulfill this idea. Then you will get one idea and we will get design of that idea. Now we have to simplify this idea. We have to think over how can we simplify this idea, right? This is called simplicity. And once you design, we have to do many iterations on this idea. This is called iterations, right? Now we have to perform very experiments, very iterations on this idea, and we have to select the best design. Whatever may be the best design, that we have to select, and according to your design you have to go for manufacturing of that machine. In short, we can define machine design. Machine design involves selection of suitable materials and optimum dimensions to withstand the load without failure, right? Means in machine design we have to select the material and we have to select the optimum design, and accordingly we have to avoid the failure of that component. Thank you students. In next lecture we will see what are the different types of loads acting on any component.